This video will guide you through how to set up and wall mount your Cozyla calendar. The entire process takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Inside the box, you will find the following required accessories. Before you begin, take a moment to make sure everything is included. For installation, you will also need an electric drill, a soft face hammer for the wall anchors, and some paper tape to secure the mounting template. Start by attaching the mounting paper to your wall. This helps you visualize exactly where the device will be placed. For best results, complete the installation in portrait orientation. Using an electric drill, drill through the 4 marked holes on the template. Insert the wall anchors into the holes and gently tap them in with a soft hammer until they sit flush with the wall. Now, align the wall mount bracket with the drilled holes. Insert the long screws and tighten them until the bracket is secure and level. Next, place the device face down on a clean, soft surface to prepare for bracket installation. Attach the device side bracket to the back of the unit using the short screws. Tighten until it sits firmly in place. Before mounting the device, connect the power cord. Align the device with the wall bracket, then gently slide it downward until it clicks into place. Once the device is mounted and level, carefully remove the paper template. Your Cozyla calendar is designed to hang in portrait mode, with the buttons on the lower right. If you prefer, you can rotate it 90 degrees for landscape use. You can also attach the 4 bumpers to the back of the device, near each corner, slightly toward the center. And that's it. Your Cozyla calendar is now securely mounted and ready to use.